Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your Omega. So today I'm back with another interesting video. What's in my makeup bag? So why late? Let's get into the video. So now I have my makeup bag with me, and this bag I have bought it from Nike actually. This is from brand Bronson Professional. So it looks like this. It is very big and it is really good. This is really a big bag and we can arrange so many items in this. And so quickly I'll be showing you what I do have in my makeup bag. So let me open this, and yeah, from inside it just looks like this. It has many compartments in this. Here we can arrange all the things like foundation, powders and all. And for brushes and pencils, eyebrow pencil or lip liner pencils and all, we have another compartment over here. And here we can keep our brushes or this pencils and all. And one more thing is like we have another zip over here. And here also we can keep few things. So now in detail I'll be showing you how I have organized my things in this. In this row I have kept my lipstick, only one lipstick I have kept, and this is from Maybelline. I'll be doing a detailed video on this. This is a new launch from Maybelline. It is vinyl ink. So Maybelline vinyl ink lipstick. So this is really good and this is a recent launch actually, and I'll be doing a separate video on this. I have my foundations over here. I have two foundations and two concealers as well. So this one is for three concealers. So I have arranged it over here, and so here I have kept all my lipsticks over here, and also one mini perfume is also there with me, so I have placed it here. And coming to this compartment, I have one bronzer with me. This is from Sugar, and also this is a powder. So all the powder sets I have kept it over here. So this is a compact powder and this is a bronzer powder, and also apart from that I have placed all my blender sponges will be there, right? So those blender sponges as well I have kept it here. So this is how I have organized the lower part here. And coming to the upper part, here I have placed all my highlighter and lip balms over here. So this is a lip tint actually. This is a lip tint from Dr. Earth, lip and cheek tint. And here I have my highlighter. Highlighter is also from the same brand, Dr. Earth. So and that one, and as well as I have placed my lip balm. Here I have placed all my bracelets, hand bracelets. This one I have picked it from Goa. So this one, and as well as the neck sets, few neck sets which I will be wearing. So that one I have placed it over here. All the neck sets are there over here. So this compartment is for that. And coming to the next, this compartment is for my rubber bands actually. So what are the rubber bands I do wear? So rubber bands and clips and all. And coming to this, here I have kept all my earrings actually. So I have kept earrings in a separate cover. All the stud type of earrings, not a huge earrings. For that I have different box, and all the studs and all I have arranged it in a cover, and then I have kept it over here. So this is all about the lower part. And coming to this one, I have kept my eyebrow pencil and eyeliner as well as kajal pencil over here. So this is my eyebrow pencil and this is from Maybelline, and these two are kajal pencils. One is a regular black kajal from Maybelline, we all know that, and the another one, it is from K Beauty, and this is not a black one, it is actually a blue color. So why always wearing a black kajal? Just try out different colors. So that's why I have brought blue kajal, and I will do a tutorial on this. And this one is a eyeliner. This one is a mascara. So all the eye related things like kajal and this eyeliner and this mascara, I have placed it over here. Here I have kept my pluckers, banana clips over here. And inside I haven't kept much, only one foundation and foundation blending brush I have kept. So here only just I have that brush which is for foundation. So this one I wanted to show you, and this one I have purchased from Nykaa, and the price details and all I will link it in the description box, so do check out. So this is really very travel friendly, and even when I have traveled Goa, I have organized all my things in this, and I have carried this. Though it looks huge, it doesn't weigh so much. This is all about what's in my makeup bag. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in next video. Bye.